Hi, my name is Mel. Come along with me as I explore, travel, adventure, and create photography. This is MinuteTour, the home for my adventure stories. This year 2020, I did more hikes than my normal. This video takes you through my top 5 favorite hikes and give you some more options when you are looking for some incredible hiking around Salt Lake and Provo County in Utah. 5. Rocky Mount Falls. If you are looking for a trail around Salt Lake Valley, Rocky Mount Trail is a nice quick hike to check it out. The trail has some stairs in the beginning and half is through a neighborhood. Then, the trail continues with a narrow bit with lots of shades most of the way. Rocky Mount Falls Trail is about a mile round trip. It is a fun, short, and steep hike, but it's well worth it because there's a rewarding waterfall at the end. The waterfall was really pretty and fun to play in and take pictures. The waterfall was slow due to time of year, but it was cold and clear. It was super nice little hike to see a waterfall. This is a great hike for kids and families and great place to cool off on a hot summer day and admire nature. 4. Brighton Twin Lakes. Twin Lakes is located at Big Cottonwood Canyon near Salt Lake City, Utah. We started our hike at 9:30 a.m. We took the route from the Millie Lift. The hike was not too long, but the steepness adds a challenge. It was a rocky steep uphill with an even footing and with no shades to the top. It was sunny and hot when we went in early August. We stopped a couple of times to catch our breath. The wildflowers were in full bloom. It made the trail more enjoyable for me because I love flower photography. This gorgeous place is for skiing during winter and open for hiking during spring, summer, and autumn. Once you get to Twin Lakes, there is plenty of shades waiting for you. There's a dam on the right side and a wide, gorgeous beachy area on the left. The lake is beautiful and quiet. Because of the elevation, there is a cool breeze even during the heat of the summer. It's a great place to have a family picnic and have fun and enjoy the beauty of nature. Twin Lakes is another destination that I would add to your list. Get up there. You'll love it just like I did. Happy trails! 3. Lake Mary. Lake Mary is one of my favorite hikes I did. It is a moderate round-trip trail located at Big Cottonwood Canyon near Salt Lake City, Utah. On our trip, we chose the trail from the Millie Lift to Twin Lakes, then to Lake Mary. It was a longer hike but has amazing scenery. The beginning of the trail was a rocky, steep uphill with uneven footing and with no shade. The trail between Twin Lakes and Lake Mary was shady and a bit easier. Our hike was amazing. There were parts that we were in the forest, one part where there was a pile of stunning big rocks, and when you arrive at the lake, it was a breathtaking view. As we were taking a rest and enjoying the views by the lake, we found out that there was an easier way to get up to Lake Mary. The trailhead is at the back of the parking lot at Brighton Ski Resort, and it is 2.6 miles long, round trip only. Lake Mary is another destination that I would add to your list. Get up there, you will love it just like I did. Enjoy your day in the mountains. Happy trails! 2. Adams Canyon Waterfall. This is the start of the hike. The start of this hike was quite challenging. The sandy switchbacks are quite steep and without shade. Just follow the wood fence for about 20 minutes. As we got up higher, we could finally had a view of the surrounding canyon, and on the other side was nice view of the Great Salt Lake. This is a popular year-round hike and it's always crowded on the weekends, especially mid-morning. So we decided to arrive at 7 o'clock in the morning. When you get up to the canyon, it follows the river with lots of shades and fun things to explore and enjoy. Before you see the waterfall, the trail offers a very scenic view. We crossed a couple of footbridge, got to see a gorgeous stream, and a mini cave with a mini waterfall. I saw this stunning stream. This is a great place to take a rest and catch your breath. Finally, the waterfalls. Adams Canyon Falls drops about 40 feet. It's a very photogenic waterfall. And of course, I got as close to the waterfall as possible for good shots. Adams Canyon hike is a great way to be close to nature, breathe fresh forest air, see views of the Great Salt Lake, and experiencing the waterfall at the top of the trail. I'm glad to have done this hike. Happy trails! 1. Horsetail Falls. The trail starts climbing right away. Then it will be open and with no shade. This is a beautiful hike to take in the fall. The temperature was perfect and every step of the way had color. The entire trail was colorful and absolutely stunning. And then we hit the forest. This hike was a workout. It was pretty shaded but rocky and steep all the way. The rocks get bigger as you get closer to the falls. This is the waterfall overlook, and many people stop to see the Horsetail Falls from a distance. Then the trail has a little bit of bushwhacking involved. It was a little rough, but I enjoy the colors of the trees. And we made it to the waterfall. This is Horsetail Falls, a stunning 100-foot tall waterfall. You can actually hike up to the top of the falls from here. We chose to go to the base of the falls. It was nice and cool with the light spray from the falls and the cool breeze. The Horsetail Falls hike was really a gorgeous, unique waterfall and worth the hike. Even though it was a little tougher, I absolutely loved it. I think it may be my new favorite trail. Thank you guys for watching. If you would like to watch more videos, just search MinuteTour. Remember, no space. Or click one of these videos. Thanks again and see you in the next video. Bye!